What's up everybody? Today I'll be comparing Yi Smart Dashcam versus Yi Compact Cam. When I purchased Compact Dashcam, I thought it's going to be a little smaller than a Smart Dashcam, but it looks exactly the same. Same size, mic in the same spot, connector, reset button in the same spot, same button, same size screen, ventilation, mounting bracket exactly in the same spot, SD card slot exactly in the same spot too, and another ventilation exactly in the same spot, so they're identical. The difference is the hardware inside them. Let's compare specs and see what is the difference. Smart Dashcam can record 1080p at 60 frames per second. Angle view is 165 degree, support up to 64GB micro SD card, and has advanced driver assistance system. ADS will detect and will provide audible warning. Likewise, ADAS can detect and warn you if you get too close to a car in front of you, helping you avoid collision, and it costs around $50 on Amazon. Compact Dashcam can record 1080p at 30 frames per second, angle view 130 degrees. Also, it supports up to 60GB micro SD card. In conclusion, Compact Dashcam similar dimensions to the Smart Dashcam, and you will not find ADAS feature in a compact version. Smaller angle view, and you can only record 30 frames per second in 1080p. Compact version costs around $40 on Amazon. Interface also looks very similar, different colors. Only Smart Cam has a few extra features added. Other than that, purchase the one that you can afford. And now let's look at the footage side by side.
Overall, I think both cameras record just fine. Smart Dashcam has a little wider angle and the image quality a little brighter than Compact Dashcam. I didn't really like advanced driver assistance system because it would always warn me when I was far away from the vehicle or when I was on a stoplight. There's a little more work needs to be done to this feature. Other than that, I like both cameras. Once again, thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Peace!